Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare Care Coordination Benefits, Setup Guide step by step clearly. To activate Medicare Care Coordination Benefits, begin by logging into your Medicare account. Visit the official Medicare website at www.medicare.gov. If you don't have an account, click on the Create an Account button and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, navigate to the My Benefits section on your dashboard. Locate the option for Care Coordination Benefits within that section. Click on the Activate button next to Care Coordination Benefits. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided. After verification, read through the terms and conditions carefully. Once you've reviewed them, click Accept to proceed with the activation. Next, provide any additional information requested, such as your primary healthcare provider details. Make sure to confirm that your provider is participating in Medicare Care Coordination programs. After entering all necessary information, review your entries for accuracy. When everything is confirmed, click on the Submit button to finalize your activation. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your care coordination benefits are now activated. Take note of any reference number provided for future inquiries. To ensure you receive the full benefits, contact your healthcare provider to discuss your care coordination options. Be proactive about scheduling periodic check-ins to maximize the use of these benefits. Keep documentation of all communications regarding your care coordination benefits for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.